contact point. There are contact here. Okay? Then take this, not allow bound to be private, create this. Then this boundary, because we only want to limit outside, so inside the boundary, so we need to delete it. See here, we go to here. You see? Okay, it's a taper, we see, okay? We deleted inside boundary. Now we only have outside boundary, you see here. Okay? This is the idea. When you create the boundary, then it's the number 7 is the boundary here. Okay? So on the book, they have numerous places to create the boundaries because you need to create a boundary to limit where you want to cut. Okay? So delete this one. And then also another one is a pattern. Okay? Pattern. Pattern is very important. This is why I want to get to this chapter 4. Okay? Chapter 4 is to machine. Okay? To machine there's 2 paths. We only talk about 2 paths, right? 2 paths is this 2D clearance, to say the rough machining. 2D clearance is the rough machining. And also we talk about the finish machining. Okay, there's a lot of strategies, okay, based on the profiles. Finish machining. Then we really want to talk today because we want to introduce the pattern. So this is 2D machining, curve machining. Okay, it's 2D. Before called 2D machining. Okay, or called 2.5D machining. Now we talk about the name is curve machining. Okay, so here you have to just use 2D curves, 2D patterns. Okay, so this is chapter 4 is for that. Okay, is the idea. So we can follow this. I only want to talk about, and you put the English, okay? Then you put the English, and then on your book, okay? You put then I will talk about how to create this pattern, okay? It's called pattern here. It's a boundary in a pattern, okay? English and Chinese. Then you can put into your book, okay? First, we want to make a block, okay? We want to make a block. So that is on page 73, 4.2.2. Create a block, block creation. You see that? See the book? See the book? Okay. And how? Because we do not have a model. Here you see the model we don't have. Don't have model. We only have patterns. Okay? We only have patterns. We have only patterns. Okay? So we create a block. Okay? It's a box and go to global transform like always. And then here, where is the model come from? That's called active pattern. Okay? So we have to activate this pattern. So pattern is curve R. Okay? So this active, make sure it is active. So we say, okay, create a pattern, then active pattern. Then you calculate. You see how you calculate. But there is a sheet metal. It's only a sheet. Okay? Then we have to put into 22. Z is 22. That's on page 74. You see that? Okay? Word coordinate here. Okay? And the 22 and the active pattern. Can you write on your book? This is global transform. Okay? This is active pattern. Make sure your pattern is activated. Okay? Then you put the 22 here. You have to calculate it first, then put the 22. After 22, you cannot calculate. If you calculate it, it's 0. Right? Okay? You calculate the area first, based on the pattern. Then you put the thickness. Is it okay so far? Is it okay?
That was the
Is
first
okay?
one.
Okay. Then you say accept. Okay? Then since we have a block, now we can make a coordinate here. Create a work plan. create a work plan and use the block. That's on page 75, right? Okay, the writing is on 74. Work coordinate setting, right? So you use the block. Okay, you just put on your book. Okay, then you create. Then you see a lot of options. Okay, for your sake, for our student, usually we just only machine one piece. So we created the top center top. Okay, coordinate. Then we name it. Okay, we name it as G54. G54. Okay, we name it G54. G54, right? Okay, so everything okay now? Okay, it's okay. Then now we have the work coordinate. We make activate the coordinate. You see that here? Coordinate. It's okay, right? So we have this one. The center top is our coordinate on the machine. Okay. Then here is the two rapid move. If you do not know what a rapid move, just ask me. Okay. I think that's the default understanding. Okay? Otherwise, then you come out to the create. Okay, then you put a 10 here. Okay, that's the plan. Okay, and then this is called two-pass work plan. Okay, you can put a G54. Okay, because we're using this as a G54. The older versions, they only have a global transform and a G54. Here now the new version is always use the two pass. Whatever your two-pass work plan is, it will follow. So it's automatic, will not happen mistakenly. Okay? But now for our understanding, usually we put a G54. Okay? Okay. Then here you can see what the idea is. What the idea? You see, okay, you say rapid surface. What is the rapid surface? You look here. You click. Okay, you can click it first. You see rapid surface is here. How much from here to here? How much?
Link.
It's 10, right? Rapid surface height from the coordinate. From this coordinate is 10. That to say the tool come to here, stop. Okay, then move slowly, come to the machine. Understand now? Okay? Then this is the jaw plunge surface. See, 5 here. So that now software just show you the detail. Okay? Show the detail. Okay, you don't have to, usually we do not see this. Don't have to show. Okay, because we just know it is by heart. Okay? That should be 1 + 1 = 2 in PowerMill. Okay? In any machine. Okay? Then we say accept. In this, everything is on G54. Then we say accept. So now it's to page 76 now. Okay, I think because everybody has a book, then I think you should write down and then you just do yourself. Okay, because the time limit. We don't have a lot of too many things I want to tell you. Okay. Then we go to 76. Go to 2D plane machine. Okay, 2D plane machine. Now we make a tool. Okay, D25 is usually is R1. Okay, so we go to 2. Okay, and it here is D25 T6 really is R1. Okay, setting. Okay, R1. Okay, it's too long. So 100. Okay, this one. But only thing is the name. Here is really, and you can put your, because what happened is this one is from Delcan originally. This example. Okay, and we name our tools, different system. So we say D25R1, and you know this the tip radius is 1. Is it okay? Okay. So fruits, whatever, don't worry about because we talk about only today's the pattern. Okay. Then we close. Okay. We close, you know. So we create this tool like this, the big tool. Okay. We want to machine the surface. Okay. The surface. So now we go to tool path. Okay. Tool path. And the curve machining, face milling. Okay. If you go to the book, that's a face milling. It's okay on the book? You follow, right? Okay. Then we say, okay, we only want to slice on the top of the piece. Okay. And make a plan. And remember, we talk about it when you want to machine your own piece. Remember, then you can use this strategy also. Okay. Then now we go to page 77, right? Okay. We have to machine face position -2. We just want to slice 2 millimeters. Okay. XY expansion, we will talk about. Okay. We put the 5 first. You follow this picture? Okay. And the engagement feed rate, 100%. Okay. You can adjust on the machine. There's a knob. The maximum is 150. Okay. The tolerance 0.1. Okay. We will explain. We will experience what one way. Okay. And 2 ways. Okay. Now we say 2 ways. Okay. 双向的 2 ways. Then the 2 step over 15. Okay. 15. It's okay? Then we go to lead and links. That will be in 78. Page 78. And 5. Okay? 5. Point 5. 5 point. That one is to link. Okay? Links here. Okay? You put the first choice. This is arc. Okay, circular arc. I think arc is circular, right? No, I don't know. Maybe English is different. Is arc is always circular?
Semicircular.
Always circular, right? I don't know.
It depends on the range.
But anyway, maybe that's the classical English. That's the English
Because
program.
this,
It's definitely not
And the
180.
This could
distance
be-
is 40.
that could be an arc. That could
Okay.
also be an arc.
It's 40.
As long as it's
Okay,
semicircular.
then maybe it's a good idea. Maybe a good idea is to look at the rapid moves. You see G55 already fixed here. Okay, if you calculate, it's already set up. Okay? Is it okay now? Then we calculate. Okay, everything else. So you check with the work plan, G55 block, you see 22. Okay, 22, 2, this one, you see integrate this. Then we say calculate the 2 paths. Okay. Then you will come out this way. The 2 way. Then you see here, we see 2 paths. We go right click. You say, okay, simulate from start. Okay, use the arrow key. You start from here, going down. You see? First go to plunge distance 10 millimeters. Then go to the slow moving, going this way. So rapid move here and the plunge, move down 5 millimeters and start to machine. Okay? Then link. This is link. You go another machine. Link. Machine is two, then become 20. Exactly. Okay? Then go like this. You see? This is the link. What the link is the circular arc, right? Remember? Circular arc. Okay? So when we should go this way, okay? We will go this way. We go again. Simulate from the start. Okay, when we from here to here, from here to here, it's very fast, okay? But this one is I forgot the English. One is the reverse, one is the mill. Milling was English. Let me see. 3D. Yeah, conventional is. Sorry. Climb. Okay, climb and conventional and any. This is two-way. Climb, conventional. What is okay? From here to here is climb and what? That's the basic. Okay, that's from short board. Okay. Let's go here. Go from the start. Okay, go this way. This way. From here to here. Is climb or conventional? Then go here. Think about it, okay? From here to here. Climb or conventional? Just write up, use a pencil to draw. Okay, where the material is. Okay? And then we come here, we go to the toolpath, we set up again. Okay? Then we say, okay, we make it one way. See what happens, okay? Calculate. See that? Why? Like this. Okay? Now you go start from here to here. You go here, down. Then start, because you only ask him to go up. Go up.
Right.
Then it's very fast move to the other side. Then move down. Then move down and the machine. Because you only ask him to go one way. Alright? Okay? That's what you want to, how to make a toolpath. Okay? So which one is more efficient?
Two-way.
Two-way, right? But sometimes you don't want to use two ways. Sometimes you have to make it one way. Okay? That's the idea. Then we will see what's the spiral. Okay? And show me this is the chapter 4. Okay? Called spiral. Okay? Calculate. Like this. Okay? Like this. And you can experience yourself. Okay, that's the idea. So we return back. You don't have anything to do. Then we say two ways. Okay? Two ways. It's okay. So now it's the thing is in the page we finished 78. Okay? We finished page 78. Now we go to, so everything okay so far? Okay, we go
I need
to
a
4.4. 2.5D rough machining. Okay, we close this. You want to simulate? I don't think you need to simulate, right? You see enough, right? Okay, so we take this
That's
out.
what I'm telling you.
Now we go to use D17T3. What's a D17T3? You can write down, okay? That is length is 60 and D is tip radius, right? Diameter is 16, okay? The R is 3. So you can write down your book, okay? And you can we can write your own symbol. D16R3 is 2. Yes?
What?
D16R3.
Oh,
On the book is T3. Okay, we put R3. Then you know how to set your tools. Okay? So that's then we use we select the tool path. The steel is curve machining. Okay? Now is the 2D curve area clearance. You see this one? You can write down. That's on page 79. Page 79. Show me you have the book?
Two, right?
Yeah, you write down, okay? 279. On the top. Okay? 2D curve area clearance. That's the English, okay, on the book. Then we say, okay. Okay, that was okay. Then we go to work coordinate, G54, no problem. Okay, block, no problem. Tool, okay. We have to select D16, T3. That's this tool, okay. This is the tool, and then we go to the air clearance. Okay. This time, since we already have the curve pattern, so we select the pattern, okay? Curve pocket. So we will show you where is the curve pocket and how to create it, okay? Then we'll show you. Then we machine -12, okay? We make a pocket -12, okay? And also this raster, we say offset. And we'll talk about what is raster and what offset. We will experience that. Okay? So 0, 0, 1, and the climb, and the step over 8. Okay? You follow? You copy everything in English, right? Everything. Okay. Then we further. I'm sorry?
Curve thickness.
Where? Step over. Oh, tolerance.
Curve thickness.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, good idea. 0.2. Yeah, curve thickness. Yes. Curve thickness. Yeah. If you take about the curve, that's always the thickness. How much you leave to machine for finish, right? So we leave skin of 0.2 millimeters. Okay. Then we go to the cutting distance. Okay, cutting distance. We do not use stock depth. We use limits. Okay, that's called limits. And also step down each time we machine 1 millimeters. Okay, step over horizontal, horizontal, step over, horizontal, step over. We say 8. Horizontal. In fact, step over is horizontal here, right? Step down is vertical. Okay, step over is the same thing. It's okay. It's okay so far. Okay. Then we go to lead and links. Okay. Then we go to lead and links. Okay. We go to lead and links.
Those come up?
Yes. Where?
Hold on.
Okay, yeah, here. We use limit. Instead of
I just want to sleep right now.
Stop there, stop. Okay. Then we go to lead and links. Okay? We go
That's on the
to
travel card,
lead
everything.
in. That's on page
Cool,
85.
but I
Here.
know this one.
Yeah, important. We select lead in is here. This lead into the page 81. Okay, first choice.
I should have
We
been now.
use
I didn't have to go home early.
Ramp.
I should have been
Okay,
now.
we
I
use
didn't have
ramp.
to go home early.
When you come to a ramp, you have this option.
I need to go
See
home
the
with time for
book
my freaking
number 2. You see the
loan.
book of number 2?
I need
Yeah.
to go
So
home
you
early 'cause
select
I
this
for my
one.
loan.
It's called define. Okay. Wrap option. Like this. So the next on the page picture here. Okay. Then you choose maximum zigzag angle 1. Okay. And I want you to get this ramp height also 1. Is it okay? For this picture, that's 81 on page 81. Is clear here? Okay, then you accept. That's number 5, right? Accept. Okay? Then you say, we start, we calculate the 2 paths. Okay, see what happened. Okay? Then you start with this picture. Okay? With this picture. So let's see what is the pattern. Okay, we will see the pattern. We close the toolpath. Okay, we will see the pattern. Okay, we close this pattern. I think I just shut off the everything else. Okay, we have a pattern, right? So this curve is a curve of pattern. We close this one. This is the curve pocket. That to say, it's only you deleted everything else. Only leave this two pocket. Okay, this one. The next one will be chamfer. Chamfer is above. You see? See here? Chamfer is higher. See that? Same geometry, but we copy it and move it higher. I will show you how to make this. Okay? Okay, I want to. We will create it in AutoCAD. We will create it in SolidWorks. Everything we export. Okay, I will do everything
Ayan, kumakfil yan.
in the from your bottom. Okay, then you will know everything. Okay, you create yourself. And then with this is only the pocket. So that will say number two pass. Number two pass is use what? Use this pattern. Okay, in this pocket. Why is it smaller than this pattern? Why? Because this is the 2 diameter, right? Okay, let's show the 2. Okay, it's here. This diameter. So now I think we can make a simulation.
Okay,
Simulation. So we go to view. Okay, toolbar, view mill. Go here. Go here. And we start with the first one. Okay? Then we'll make maybe a little slow. Okay?
Oh, no, that
And then
process just to
the
shave
next
the
one
head.
is like this.
Oh, this process just to shave the head.
Each time only 1 millimeter. Okay, you can make it higher if it is plastic. Okay? Is it okay now? It's clear, right?
Where's the 1 millimeter?
Where's the 1 millimeter? Okay, here, I'll show you. No, I'll show you. 1 millimeter is here. Cutting distance. Step down. Okay? Is it okay? You already write down already, right?
Oh my god.
Every time. And then you will see last sentence, the shading, okay? That's the extra explanation. Last sentence of 81, page 81, okay? That's the extra. What do you say? And what do we say here? It is like this, okay? You go to toolpath.
Bro.
You go to, I think I just should do this one. Okay. We still show this one. Okay. We go to
So today we have
toolpath.
finished chapter 13. I have a
Setting.
feeling tomorrow we have practice.
Okay. Wait, setting. This one is, you see this symbol? Okay, that's on the book, the last sentence. Okay, that's this is interactively modify machinable sections. Okay, you will see here.
Yeah, me too.
We click. You see the tool? Okay, you see the tool? You want to change? You cannot machine outside. You can only machine inside. You see that? Okay, you change the direction of cutting. So outside you cannot because not the area. Okay, this is the idea. This is the last sentence mean. Okay, this means. Okay, you can change it here and you can play with it. Okay, this is the last one. You see the symbol? That symbol? You see this symbol? It's the last symbol on the book, on the page of 81. Can you recognize? Same symbol, right? Only one is not colored. Okay, the book is not colored. Okay, that symbol. Sometimes you want to convince yourself that's the place you want to work. But what happened is, if you have a 100 toolpath to calculate, you want to use this cube. Okay, you want to make sure it is correct, then you go and you make 102 pass, and then you go back home, you click when you sleep, the computer will do, okay? Alright? So we finish this one, we go to 80, we go to 82, page 82. Okay, we go to page 82. Everything I talked was 82 above on the pictures, if you recognize. Okay, you recognize all the pictures on 82? Okay, remember? Active. Okay, you go here, you go this one. Okay, you see that? Okay, this is the options. Okay, this is the option. Okay, that's okay. Now we go to 2D, 2.5D finish. Okay, so now we go to 2.5D finish. So we go to here. We use E16, EM16. Can you write down what's the number? What is the tool? EM16. What's this one? Exactly, undermill, because there's no radius. Okay? So it simply call it undermill, 16 diameter. Okay? Is it okay? Then we go there, we say here, we close this, we go to tool path. Now it's called 2D curve profile. Can you recognize the picture? Same picture with this one only follow the curve. Do not machine the inside of the curve, okay? Is it okay? So use this one called 2D curve profile. Of course it's easy on the book, okay? 82. Then we say, okay. Then we select this. Okay? We still use curve pocket, right? The boundary still use curve pocket. Okay? Then we lower limit with machine -12. No problem, right? Okay? The tolerance 0.2, and then now the thickness is 0 now, because it's finished. Okay? We use clamp. And also we go to cutting distance, right? Okay? Now we say we use the number of cut. So number of cut is 1. Step over is 1. Okay? And this is stock width. Okay, stock width is 0. It's 80, but it's 8.0. Okay? Is it okay so far?
Okay lah.
Then when you finish, now come to page 84. That's number 5. Step.
Everybody should break second.
Okay? You go to link, you go
break.
to the read and link. Okay? Go to read in. Read
Everybody,
in.
they should
This
break second.
time
Look.
we
Yeah,
go
look
to
what it is.
here. We go to from the center of pocket.
Pocket center?
This one. Pocket center. Okay? From here. Is it okay so far?
Ginger, make the uncomfortable.
Then we have to use here. We say, okay,
Make the uncomfortable.
lead in and the lead in and the lead
Uncomfortable
out
using.
same. This one. Okay, can you see the book? There's a mark there. Okay, you click this one. The lead in and the lead out is identical. All from the pocket center. You come to pocket center, start the machine and come up there. Okay? When we finish, we calculate. Okay? Like this. Okay lah? Like this. So, we want to simulate and simulate. And we turn on the tool, this tool, okay? We make it slow and go to number 3. EM, did we change the tool? Let's see, we did not change the tool, right? The tool, you see, this is why we cannot see. This is why you want to simulate. Yeah, then you calculate again. Okay? Yeah, and then you want to see. Okay, you want to see here, you go to 3. Now it's coming out. It's under mill because it's here the edges. Okay? See, now the edges come to sharp, the corner becomes sharp. So far, okay? It's okay, right? Okay. Then we go to the last. I think the last step. For this one. Okay. In addition to this, there should be drilling. Okay. Then we go to 85. Page 85. Okay. We go to page 85. So we finish. So we go to finish 85. The tool is D25 TR1A45. What is tool? I take it out. And you can have an idea. Because we make a chamfer. Okay, we make a chamfer. Use this 40-85 degree angle. Okay? So that will be diameter 25. The tip radius is here. Tip radius is 1 millimeter. Okay, and you can write down. You say, okay, diameter 28, tip radius 1, and the angle is 45. The tapered height is this height is 10. It's like that. Okay? It's okay? Then we you copy down now? Okay? No? Okay, yeah, I will just wait. Yeah. Angle 45, height is 10, tip radius. Some is you can calculate. Is it 12? You see, if you say 12, this becomes 1. It's all geometry. See here? You see? Okay, if I say 8, so how much? It will be 9. Right? Okay? Like this. I will change itself. Only several parameters. Close, then this will be the tool. See tool? Chamfer tool. Okay, the chamfer tool. Now we start to make tool path. That will be on page 86. Okay? And still over here. Okay? And then called chamfer milling. You see chamfer milling? You write down the book. The chamfer milling. Okay? Then you say, okay. Chamfer milling. Okay. In this time, this one should be chamfer. Okay, the chamfer. Where's the chamfer? I open it. Okay, I open the curve. You see? This is the pocket. Chamfer pocket. This is the pocket. This is the chamfer. You raise it down because we wanted the machine top. Okay? Make a chamfer. Okay. Then we put all this. This is the chamfer, and then this is tolerance 0.1, climb, and thickness 0. Okay, 45. Okay, the width and the depth is 5. If we put a 5, what happens with the depth? To calculate yourself. Here, this one. if we put a 5, because of 45 degrees, it should be changed, right? No? So we put here 5. Okay? But we'll see what happens. Then 2 position is 1, right? Okay? But we'll see what happens. Then we will see here. Make sense or not? It's outside. See here? Okay? Then we go here. Cannot. We'll see what happens, okay? Then we go here. You see here? So you want to... Did you see the book? This symbol? This opposite, cannot see. Okay? And then you go to here. It's outside, right? Then you click this one, called reverse machine side. Okay? Reverse machine side. If the machine outside, you machine inside. Then you go in. It's okay? Okay, right? Then we make a choice here. So it's okay, right? Okay? Then we'll see what happened. Okay? Then we'll see, we go to, yeah, we will see here. Okay? We will see here. Then we say calculate.
What's
Sorry.
Shake the two now.
Tooling,
Shake the
yes.
two.
Exactly. Here is this one, right? Calculate. Let's see what happens. Okay? Now, like this. Let's go to the simulation. Simulation. Okay. Number 4. Not 2 now, right? Chamber 2 is. The chamber, okay. So we only use 2D to machine and 2D pictures to machine. Okay? Then we go to the last one, is the drilling. Okay, we do drilling, and we turn this off, and turn this off too. Okay, turn this off, like this. Now we turn these 2 paths off for the sake of clearance. And then we make this curve, we take this curve, we don't need this curve anymore. So curve, we only need this curve. Because we need this hole, we need to drill the holes. Okay? That will be on page 88. Okay? So it will be D10. Okay, you call drill 10. Drill 10 is how much? Can you see here? Maybe it's a good idea. Maybe because we never set up the drill. Okay. So its diameter is 10. The tap angle is usually 120 degrees. Then it's 60. Okay. And then the full length is 50. Okay. It will calculate itself. Okay. Then we say okay, right? We close. That's the tool. This is drill. The drill. See the drill? Like this. Okay? The drill. Then we have to start to create the hole. Okay? Create the hole. This 2 paths is everything here. Here. Okay? Here. This is the here. Okay? I will show you another one in English. You see here is the whole feature sets here. Boundary, patterns, and whole feature sets. Okay, but when I open that software, you see here, boundary, pattern, whole. Okay, and then right click. Okay, right click, and create a holes. That's on page 88. Can you see it? Can you write down on the book? At that time, if I give me 2 weeks, I will put all the English, but I don't have time. And sorry about that. Create the tools, create the holes, okay? We go here. Now we start to make a hole. Okay? Okay? Then create from what? Create from circles. Yeah, from circles. You see here? Now you recognize the picture, right? Okay. Now then you say, okay, drill. Okay. Then absolute zero. It means define top by zero. The top is zero. Okay. But we have to define the bottom. Okay. That is minimum z. You will see what happens. Okay. I will show you. We click it here. Okay. Okay. Then you select all the holes.
Oh yeah.
Create.
Cái lại phức động luôn vào đây.
Create. So use the shift. Okay. It's okay. Then you apply. You see this is absolute zero. This hole is absolute zero. This is zero. You see here? The hole from here, the smallest bottom is the bottom here. Okay? Like this. Then I make this block out like this. It's clear? Okay? So apply. So you close. So we have the hole now. And pay attention to the hole. Okay? You see? You have a cross here. That is the bottom. This is open. Okay? Sometimes if you select the wrong place, let's take this out. Okay? Take this out. Create a hole. Okay? Create the holes. Okay, we stick it here. Then we say, okay, we come from the circles. Okay, if we say absolute, what happened? We only create one. Okay, see what happened? What happened?
I'm not sure.
It means the bottom up. Okay? The top is
But
the
here
closed
goes
hole. Bottom
goes
is
on.
the open hole. It's
Not
not
correct.
correct. Okay? So you have to make that. Okay? So you go here. You have to select what is the bottom. Okay? So you say, okay, create those again. Okay, Joe from the circles. Okay? From the minimum Z. Okay? And we select all the holes. Okay? Then apply. Then make sure bottom is the bottom. Okay? Okay? Then we say, okay, we make the block maybe the block. We don't have a model. Okay? We only use a pattern. Then we start to make a drill. Okay? Drill. So here, drilling. There's a lot of ways of drilling. Okay? We only use this one, brake drill. Okay? What is the bird for digging the wood, the tree? Yeah, this is before this pick drill. Okay? Pick drill. Pick. So it's like this one. Going down, stop a little bit, come up. Okay, because the chip should come out. If the drill is all the way going down, it's impossible. Okay, and then the chip will pack the gap and the drill just break. So you drill a little bit, come up, drill a little bit, come up. Some even drill and reverse turning, come up. Okay, drill, reverse turning, drill, but this one is drill probably go up, drill come up, and not reverse turning. Okay, so it's like this one. Okay, if you say drilling, it's just drilling. Okay, so use this brake trip. Okay, we say okay. Okay lah. Oh, okay. Here, you have hook top. Oh, no, here.
Need a Red Bull में बोले.
You have a lot of different brake trip. Okay. You have to have this one. You see on the book, this says G73. What's G73? You learn the G code, N code, right? In short word, you should learn something. Okay. G is G90. Okay, it's relative coordinate G91 is G90 is absolute G1, and then you have the a lot of G's and a lot of M's, so called G and M code. Okay, G54 to G59 is for coordinate, to work coordinate, right? You know, okay. So G73 is at that time you put the G73 is for drilling. Okay, so the book can say okay, this usually is a G break trip. Okay, because that only use G to define the time is already over. Okay, now it's like a digital over now. Okay, so break trip. Okay, so we define top. Define top by the whole top. Okay, define the top to the whole top. Okay, top here. Can you see the book? Okay, then this one you will see. Okay, operation. Drill the hole to the depth. Then you see depth 22. You know that 22 is 22, right? The drill hole. But here is called go through. Through hole. If go through, so this number will change. It will change. Because the tip you have this 120 degree angle, you see that? You cannot make a through hole. Okay, you will leave something there at the bottom. When you want to drill the hole all the way through, you have to change the depth. You will see what happens. Okay, we select through hole. 34. All the way go down. The drill will go down to make the hole. Make sure the hole is through. Okay, now? You understand? Here, right? Okay. So here's on the book is 26. That's enough, right?
More than confirmed that maybe I will stop working semester. Use the handle with the cafe rent.
Yeah.
I said like freak that. I only need 10 months of rent.
I'm sorry?
For now, for the first.
I'm sorry? Yes, 29 one, yes. No, I'm sorry, I should talk about.
I bargained at
Let's go slow, okay?
For my boy, they get $200
I'm sorry?
at least every month for
Huh? Yeah, okay. This is 0.5, you will see here. Clearance is 1. Okay. You see here? If you want to see clearly, if you want to see what it means, you go to here. You see distance above define the top hole where rapid moves, stop and plunges here. Okay, that's to say, you can see here. Okay? Pick depth, if you can click it here. Okay? You can measure. And then start with 0 here. Okay? And also this build time, it means you go here, if you put a 1 millimeter, 1 second, it will go here to stop 1 second, then come up. Okay? Now it says 0. Come here and come up. Come here, come up. Come here, come here, come up. Come down, up, down, up, down. Like this. Okay?
Like a life, like
everything okay?
like a life.
Then
You go up,
we have to select two. You select here. You see here? Can you see this? Select on page 91. You have to select 2. We did not select 2 yet. You select 2. Okay? That's on page 91. Okay? You say we want to select 10 millimeter because the computer already detect the 4 holes of 10 millimeters. Okay? Then we say, okay, we make the select filter. You click this one. You come here diameter 10. Is it okay? This is the largest component. Okay, you have other choices. Okay? Then we say select. Then you click select and close. Is it okay? For selection, whole selection. Now you select. Of course, now we have to make sure. Okay, we have to make sure is, you see, full set is number 1. Drilling number is drilling, right? Okay? And the work plan block 2. Okay? Always check. Okay? Always check here. Okay? Make sure everything is okay. Then we're here, it should be the drill 10. Okay lah? It's okay. And then we will see what happened. Calculate. Okay? Of course, okay, all the time. Okay, this all the time. Calculate. We say calculate. Then see what happened. Then you see that? Going here, plunge, going in, drill, then come up, make another one, come up, like this. Okay, like this. Then we start make. Okay, then go to the last one. Finish. Clear? It's okay. So let's do this. Do the last time. Okay, we restart the milling. Okay, we'll make it bigger. Make it bigger, and then go here, and then go this one. Number 1, we open all the tools. Okay, turn on all the tools. Then you will see the tooling. Tool is moving like this. Okay, you go number 1. Okay, number 1, right? Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Is it clear for this class? 4. Okay.
This will be the exam right now.
It's okay for this book so far? Yes. Chapter 4. Everything basic. Okay? Then next thing I'm teach you how to make these patterns. Okay?
Yeah, I already talked about that. Yeah, I already talked about every. Yeah, what do you want? Maybe again. Huh? Yeah, sure.
About the tool, okay, I just talk up again. Page 76. Okay, D25 T6. You see that? Page 76. D25, see the tool? The bottom of the tool, okay? D25, T6, you see that? Okay, that tool is D25R1. Is okay? Yeah, we use this tool, okay? Then you go to page, you write down? Okay, 78. 78. Page 78. Do you see it? 78? Okay. D16 T3. D16 T3. D16 T3. That tool is D16 R3. Write down? Okay, and then page 82. The tool is EM16. That's undermill. Undermill 16. Page 82, the bottom. Your section 4.5. You see that? You got it?
Is that the happiest engineer I see graduate like this?
So diameter D,
Happiest engineer I see graduate.
D16 is 16. Wait, which one? Look, give your one, I don't give you care.
If you fucked up me about it.
Okay, now, yeah. Okay, now we are going to get you how to make this pattern. Okay? You create in AutoCAD. Okay? AutoCAD. You even create in SolidWorks. I'll show you how to make a SolidWorks, okay? Because you are going to work, you are going to go to the further study, so I want you to use it if you have the opportunity, okay? Otherwise, this one is not in the book. Okay, I'll show you how to do that, okay? If you have it in the AutoCAD, then you just save, okay? Save as, okay, into other format, okay? You save it to your DXF, okay? This is DXF. So you save in DXF, then you open the PowerMill. Let me take this out, okay? Take this out. Then you go to here, you say pattern, and then right click, create a pattern. Okay? And you should write down, or you just write down, because that should be the text next week. Okay? Next week I want you to make a 2D drawing. Okay? Or want to make a 2D drawing and you do the steps with chapter 4. Okay, that's from the beginning.
That's for the exam now, sir.
So we need a CAD. Fuck, I have to download that CAD. Ugh.
And then
Okay, that.
Are they online?
Then you create a pattern. Okay, maybe you just draw the create a pattern, and you have a pattern now, right? Okay, I say okay.
That should kill me now.
You insert photograph file.
So far.
Okay, then I make already in
Remember
111
that like a fun
DXF.
part of our exam thing,
You
you know.
open.
Remember last time how much
Get
chapters
the
in
work
the
open
manual?
here.
Like what?
You
3?
see this one. Now you see the pattern now, right? Okay, I will give you a 2D picture and give you a 3D picture. Then see what it look like after machining. Okay. Then you create this one, and then you want to make 3 patterns, right? One is the overall. This is called overall. Okay, we say overall. Okay. Then we say, okay, we want to copy. Look here, okay. Copy, and then go to pattern. Right click. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay, sure. Okay. Then paste as a new pattern. Okay. Paste as a new pattern. You see now? The new pattern will be like this. Okay? So you have a overall pattern, you have a new pattern, right? Okay? We want to make it a pocket. It's a pocket. But it's not a pocket, right? We need to take this out. So what do? You right click, curve edit. Okay? Curve edit. You write down? Then you have this editing tool. Okay? Then you like this. We just select this one we don't need, right? Yellow, delete. Use this one, delete. Okay? Now we only have this pattern. It's clear? Okay? You close this one. You open this one, that is overall. Okay? And this one is a pocket. How to make a chamfer? Okay? Same way. You make a pocket, copy, go to pattern, right click, paste as a new pattern. Okay, right? So we'll name it as a chamfer. Okay, like this. Only thing is now is chamfer is we have to raise it up, right?
yeah.
We raise up to 15 millimeters. So how to do that? Same thing. You go right click,
Offset.
curve edit. Okay. Then you select. You select these 2 curves. I'm sorry. Okay, the 3D. Okay? Then you say move. Okay? We say move. We want to move 15 millimeters, right? Here. Here. 15. See what happened, okay? We just move it. 20 is okay, 15 is okay, and we will see what happens. Click. What you do here? Exactly. You put the 15. I want to put the 20. Okay? Then you say apply. And accept. And accept. Then we'll see what happens. We moved up, right? Is it clear? Okay, then let's measure it. The distance here, 20. Right? Okay? It's okay. Then we come from here. Now we have 3 patterns, just like you have from the start. Is everything okay? Okay? Huh?
Can we do a pattern only for the whole, for the page? So if you want to do a pattern only for the reading, if you want, it's okay.
Delete everything, delete the whole. It's okay too. Okay? I already talked about the boundary, how to create a boundary, right? And we talk about this this one. Then you know boundary and the patterns. Okay, and the whole sets. So everything here is clear. Okay, we know from here. Okay, NC program, toolpath, tools, boundaries, patterns. Okay, models. Okay, and we'll talk about something after this. So far, okay, for everything. Okay, you want to practice for this one? Okay, you do practice.
Can you review the code generation?
Yeah, I will do it right after.
And then you do here, you do this one, relation, and then you this no point here. You put this one, this one, this one, this one, equal, right? Okay. When you finish, you say, okay, I want to save us. Okay, save us as DXF. Okay, when you go to desktop, we'll see what happens. Okay, we just start. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? No. DXF, right? Okay, then we say, okay. Okay, then we go here. Where's the one? You see? Where?
Up a little bit, like just go a little bit next to PowerShell.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, then you go to PowerMill. Okay, we go to PowerMill. Okay, you go to pattern. Right click. With the pattern. And you have here with insert, right? And files. Go to here DXF. DXF, where's DXF? Down here, thank you. This one, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Only thing this way with the border. It's okay, the border is okay, right? No problem. Border, delete it. So just delete it.
My
Enough?
gosh.
I think everybody okay, right? Because the location is doesn't matter. because you always create a coordinate under the bottom.
But he never draw the square on the circle.
He's just giving
Alright?
an example.
Oh.
Okay now? Yeah, okay. Then you create the NC programs, right? Okay? Then you go right click. Okay? Go to settings. Okay? So everything is going to right. Okay? Going to right. So we want to find the location of the machine object file. That is controller. Okay, that's a controller. You go to the here, users, public, whatever, the process is very long. Okay, like this one here. User public documents manufacturing post process utility 2017. Okay, then generic. The inside is a FNAC 3-axis. This is extension. Okay, PowerMill. Okay, that's post-process file. Okay, is this one. And then you identify where you want to write your code. Okay, and you put a desktop or your USB, whatever, where or D. Okay, then you identify what is. You say 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, or you say this is tool path number 2, tool path number 1. Okay, use your student number, whatever. Then that's it. Then you click here. Make sure output work plane. This output work plane is G55. Okay, I'm going to play this one. Okay, because in the other software, if on this table you have 5 pieces to machine, each piece have a G54, G55, G56, and G59. Each time you have to identify with the center. So this one now we only have one. You have to make sure it's not like this. Okay? Otherwise, have big trouble. Okay? That's the work coordinate. You cannot output in work coordinate. You have to put in your location. Here, this is 0. When you set up the machine, you want to start with the right place. Okay? Then you have this one, there's this one. Okay? Let me put this one again. This one is the top, and 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? Then say right. Okay? Then right. Mouse is successful. Complete. Okay, then go to here. We will go look to this one. Okay, you open use the word processor. Whatever word processor is, okay, Notepad or Microsoft Word or whatever. Then you ask me what's the difference between these different controllers. Maybe here. Some have this percentage file, sometimes don't. See, it's here. But the rest both basically is the same. Here is about the same. But for the other controller, for 5-axis, here is different. Okay, because you have the transformation of the axis. Is okay? Everything's here. So this N, if you learn already, it's okay. But if you don't learn, N, okay, this is the number 37 line, no meaning. But when you have problem, the controller, the computer will tell you which line is not legal. So they ask you to where the problem is. So this is the number of the lines. Some programs, some G code, M code don't even have these lines, but this one is normal, is half. But this one is no meaning. Only meaning is any in its parentheses is also only tell you computer do not operate with this ones. Okay, and they only like this T1, M6 recognize. Okay, S1500, M3 recognize. If you do not know M3, M8 what it is, that should be in the book. The last page, 470 pages, it go there. Okay, if you go to the book, G. Okay, there are the G's, most used G's. Okay, and I even translate into English. Okay, and you can look at it. And also M. I think I put M there too. M. Yeah, M. Can you see 483, the book? The meaning of the G and the M? You found it, that page?
Yeah.
Okay, what's M3?
Spindle on clockwise rotation.
Yes. So spindle starts to running. Okay? With the spindle speed at 1,500 RPM. Okay, and what's M8? Look this one. Coolant on, exactly. Okay? So everything there. You found the book, right? Show me, you see the book, right? Yes, okay? If you do not know it, it's there.
ตัว
It's hard to remember, but everything is on the internet. Everything is on
It's every day, bro.
It's okay so far?
It's every day we look fucked up.
Back to you.